If you own a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, you may wonder how to replace your wiper blades when they wear out. Replacing wiper blades is a simple DIY task that can improve your visibility and safety on the road. In this video, I will explain how to replace wiper blades for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. To replace the wiper blades on a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Shift into park and turn off the wipers. Step 2. Touch controls, wiper service mode on the touchscreen to move the wipers to the service position. Step 3. Lift the wiper arm a short distance from the windshield, just far enough to access the wiper blade. Avoid lifting the wiper arm beyond its intended position or scratching the windshield. You can place a towel between the wiper arm and the windshield for extra protection. Step 4. Find the square button on the wiper blade and the external clip to remove the old wiper blade. Push on them simultaneously and then pull the wiper blade outwards. Slowly lower the wiper arm and place it on top of the towel. Step 5. To install the new wiper blade, slide it in while pushing down on the external clip until it locks into place. Step 6. Turn wiper service mode off to return the wipers to their normal position. That's it. You have successfully replaced your wiper blades for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Make sure to test them before driving to ensure they work correctly. Some tips for choosing and maintaining your wiper blades. The blade on the driver's side must be 26 inches or 650 mm long, and 20 inches or 500 mm long for the blade on the passenger's side. Ensure the connector on the replacement blade is identical to the original blade. Different connectors may prevent the replacement blade from connecting to the wiper arm on the vehicle. You can purchase replacement wiper blades at the Tesla store by visiting shop.tesla.com. Only install replacement blades that are identical to the original blades. Using inappropriate blades can damage the wiper system and windshield. For optimum performance, replace the wiper blades at least once a year or when they show signs of streaking, skipping, squeaking, or smearing. Clean your windshield regularly and avoid using abrasive cleaners or solvents that can damage your wipers or windshield.